Hello again, Kiki. Welcome back. Welcome back, Ansi, and we are now in our math class, right? We are now in our math class. Are you ready for our math? Are you ready for our math?
Yes.
Okay, ready. Okay. Okay, can I hear your voice? Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah, boom. Hep, hep. Hep, hep. Hooray. Hep, hep. Hooray. Okay, very good. Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Hep, hep. Hooray. Hep, hep. Hooray. Okay, very good. Now let us start. Okay, I want to review this one.
What?
Okay, just a minute. Okay, welcome to our math class, okay? And I want to review this one for you because I will give you a worksheet. I will give you a worksheet for this next week. Okay, so you need to know how to answer this one. Okay, we have here big and small, or we have the greater than, the less than, and equal to. This is our topic for today. You know already this one? You know already this one?
Yes.
Okay, big versus small. The greater than, okay, less than, and equal to. Okay. Okay, I will take this one a review because I will give you worksheet for this next week, okay? Okay, greater than means bigger, right? Okay, greater than means bigger and less than means smaller. Okay, greater than means bigger and less than means smaller, and equal means the same as. Same as, the same. Okay? This one is the sign of greater than. This one is the sign of greater than. And this one is the sign of less than. And this one is the sign of equal to, or the same.
Equal to and less than.
Yeah, the same. Okay. So we have here an example. Okay, we have an example. We have an elephant. Different kind of animals here. We have elephant here. 3 elephants. And 2. Is this pig? Okay, we have 2 different kind of animals here. Okay, greater than. Okay. 3 is greater than. 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. Okay? Okay, 3 is greater than 2. Okay, how about this one? We have 2 different kind of animals here. We have less than. Okay? This side is less than. Can you see this one? Okay, open your mouth. Can you tell this one? 1 is less than 4. Okay, can you see this one? Can you tell this number? 1, no, look at this one. 1 is less than 4.
1 is less than 4. Right.
You have to know, you need to know how to tell the numbers. Okay, look at this one. Look at this one.
Right.
Here, this blue fish and green fish. Okay? And this side, the blue fish is the amount of blue fish is greater than. So how many fish we have in here? How many fish? Can you count? Count this one. 6 is greater than
2.
3.
Okay, 6 is greater than 3. Can you say it? 6
is greater than
2.
Okay, 6 is greater than 3. Okay, how about this one? This bag. Okay, this one.
less than 4.
Less than.
1 is less than
1.
Okay, 1 is less than. 1 is less than 4. Very good. And how about this one? This one. Equal to. Okay. Can you say this one? Okay, can you describe this one? Can you say it? Can you tell? 5 is
equal to
5 is equal to 5.
5 equal than 5.
Okay, you have to say yes. 5 is equal to 5. Okay. Okay. 5 is equal to 5. And how about this one? Can you say this one? Can you describe this picture? Using less than and greater than or equal to. Describe this picture. Can you tell this one? Okay. You can read this one. Can you read this?
Yes.
Read this one.
3.
Anybody can read?
3 apple and
3 apple and 6.
Okay, 3 apples are less than 6 leaves. Okay? Okay. Proud, can you read this one, Proud? Read this one, read. Read this one, read.
apple.
3
This one, 3 apples
3 apple
are
6
less than
the seed is
6 leaves. This one, leaves. Okay. Okay, oi. M, can you read this one, M? M.
cow plant.
Cow pan. Can you read this one, a cow pan?
3 อันดัง
3.
3 อันดัง
Okay. 3 apples are. Okay, read. Okay, 3 apples are less than
6
leaves. Okay, 3 apples are less than 6 leaves. Okay, 3 apples. Look at this one. This one is the apple. 3 apples are less than 6 leaves. Okay, you need to practice also reading. Okay. Okay,
Yes,
how about this one?
Oh my God.
Can you read this one? Can you read this one?
4 frogs are
Okay, all of you, can you read this one? 4 frogs are more than 3 rabbits.
rabbit.
Big tree.
Okay. 4 frogs are more than 3 rabbits. Okay. Oi, can you read this one, Oi? Okay. Read this one, Oi. This one.
Rabbit.
More than more than 3 rabbits. Okay. Okay. Practice. Okay. We have here 4 frogs. This one is frogs, right? We have 4 frogs are more than 3 rabbits. Okay, Papa, can you read this one for us? Papa? Papa?
4 frogs are more than 3 rabbits.
Yes, 4 frogs are more than 3 rabbits. How about my Pawan? Can you read this one?
What?
Read this one, read.
4 frogs are than 3 rabbits.
Yes, very good. 4 frogs are more than 3 rabbits. Okay, Marine, can you read this one? Read. Yes. More than
3 rabbits.
Yes, 4 frogs are more than 3 rabbits. What about Proud? Proud. Can you read this one, Proud? Okay. 4 frogs.
4 frogs
Rabbit.
are
more than
rabbit is
3 rabbits.
rabbits.
Okay, very good. Kaufman, can you read this one, Kaufman? Okay.
Fox
Yes.
are more than 3 rabbits.
Yes, very good. Okay, now let us continue. Okay, how about this one? Okay, how about this one? 3 violins are equal in value of 3 drums. Can you read it? 3 violins. Are equal in a value of 3 drums.
Equal in value.
Okay. Can you read this one? Marine, can you read this one? Marine?
3
violins
are equal in the guitar.
Value of 3 drums. Yes, very good. And now let's go to Fafa. Where's Fafa? Okay, can you read this one, Fafa?
3 violins are equal.
Sorry.
Value to 3 drums.
Yes, very good. Okay. You need to practice reading, okay? Papa, very good.
พูดให้มันดังๆเหมือนกับที่ชวนป้าหนูปั่นจักรยานหรือเล่น
Oi, can you read this one, Oi?
จะเล่นอะไร
Oi. 3. Yes.
3
Equal. And
2
yes, very good. Very good, Oi. Very good. Okay. So you have to say, look at this one. 3 violins are equal. We have this one equal in a value to 3 drums. So they are the same. 3 violins equal to 3 drums. Okay? Okay, let's go to this one. Okay, we have this one. What is the answer in this one? Is it greater than, less than, or equal to? What's the answer here?
โมเดลหรือ equal
Okay?
equal.
We have,
And
you count. Is it equal, greater than, or less than?
equal.
Equal. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have here, yes, 8 reddish and 1, and we also have 8 cabbage. So the answer here is equal to. That is the sign of equal to, right? Okay, that is the sign of equal to. Now let's go to this one.
Equal to.
Very good answer. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have here 6 strawberries and 6 carrots.
Equal to.
Equal to. So the answer here is equal to. Okay, so this is the sign of equal to, right? Okay, 6 strawberry is equal to 6 carrots. Okay? Okay, now how about this one? How about this one? Is it equal, greater than, or equal to? Is it greater than? How do you say this one? If this side here is bigger than this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, very good. 6 is greater than, and this is the sign of greater than. And now let's go to this one. Okay, greater than.
Adding water, please.
Yes, okay, okay, Frau. So greater than means big, okay? Bigger, and less than means small, okay? Big versus small. So and equal to is the same as. So I want to look at big and small. The question here is which is bigger? Big. Which is bigger? Is this ball or this ball?
This ball.
This one?
This ball.
Yes. This ball is bigger.
Ball.
Okay, this ball is bigger than this ball, the other ball, okay? Okay, now let's go to this one. Which is smaller? Small. Which is smaller? So these two picture here. Small. Which is smaller? This picture or this one? Smaller. This one?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now let's circle that one. Okay. Which is smaller? Yeah. Smaller.
This one.
This one? This one?
Yes. No.
This one?
Dạ leg ạ.
No. This one?
Yes.
Okay. This one is smaller. Okay. And this is big, smaller. Smaller again. They're asking here smaller.
Smaller.
The answer here is, which is smaller? This apple or this one?
Apple green.
This one?
That.
This one?
No.
Small. No, this one, right?
Yes.
Nè nè. Yes.
And this
Yes.
Yes.
is bigger.
Bigger. Viết dài.
Can you read this one?
Bigger.
You can read this one? Which?
This
Okay.
is
Bigger.
Okay, so the question is, which is bigger?
này dài. Có thằng mà này dài.
Where? This one or this one?
Yes.
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 This one is the answer, right? Okay, can you read this one? Read it.
Mình say ăn dài.
Read this one.
No need.
Read this one. Which is
bigger.
okay? Which is bigger? This one or this one?
Yes.
Yes.
This one? This
No.
one?
No.
This one?
Yes.
This one is
Yes.
bigger. So you know already what is? Oh, you know already what is
cái này mới biết.
less than and equal to, right? And bigger, greater than is bigger than is bigger, and less than is smaller. Equal to is same as. Okay, same as. So I will give you a worksheet for this one next week. For now, because tomorrow is Saturday, weekend, and I want you to rest after this one. So I want to say thank you. You are very smart, Kate. I will not need to do anything for our math for today, and I just want to say thank you.
Teacher, today don't have class.
We have tomorrow. Tomorrow we don't have a class. Today we have.
Good day.
Tomorrow is weekend. Tomorrow is. Today is what day? Today is what day today? What day is today?
Monday.
What day is today? What day is today? Okay, today is Friday. And tomorrow will be tomorrow? Tomorrow is?
Saturday.
Saturday. So it means weekend. So you don't have class tomorrow. Okay, so because tomorrow is weekend and Friday is a happy day for our math today, I will not need to write anything, okay? All right, I just have to rest and relax, okay? So I hope you understand, and when I give you a worksheet next week for this lesson, greater than, less than, equal to, you can answer already, okay? I will give you big numbers next week for your worksheet. Okay, so thank you so much, K3. Okay, and you have to enjoy your weekend tomorrow. We don't have class tomorrow, okay? And keep studying. Okay, K3? Okay, so thank you so much.
Teacher.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Teacher, answer or not answer?
Yes, you have to It's I want to see your hand first. Okay. What is that, Marie? Okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, Papa. And Kaufan. Thomas, thank you, kids. I love you. Bye.
ไว้เทขนมจีนเปล่าเชื่อมารีแบก
Bye. Yes, Noah.
right or not
No, you will not write anything in your math. No. No. Okay, only next week. I want to enjoy your weekend. Okay, bye. Okay. Bye.
Bye.